In a world where trauma can manifest in countless ways, one channel stands ready to offer supportive information through the journey of healing. Welcome to Lisa Taylor Austin's channel, where over 30 years of expertise combined with compassion and understanding. Lisa Taylor Austin, board-certified and licensed psychotherapist, offers telehealth therapy for trauma, narcissistic abuse, anxiety, depression, and more. Her expertise extends beyond therapy. Lisa is an authoritative voice in court, shedding light on complex topics like criminal street gangs and therapeutic standards. Subscribe to this channel and embark on a journey of understanding, growth, healing, and breaking free from narcissistic abuse. Visit thetaylorAustinGroup.com to learn more. Lisa Taylor Austin, your path to understanding and healing starts here.